Today we're going to be looking at tools for digital storytelling. This presentation was done by Sandy Shaw. I do hope you enjoy. Before we continue any further with the presentation, we're going to pause to take a look at the general objectives of the presentation. The presenter hopes that at the end of the presentation, viewers or participants should have an understanding of the type, the category, the features, and functionality of the tools used within digital storytelling. It is expected that viewers should be aware of how to use these tools to increase learner achievement. It is also estimated that viewers will understand why digital storytelling tools are an important part of a digitally rich learning environment. It is also estimated that viewers will understand what type of learning environment is best suited for the tool. It is also estimated that the viewers will understand when and how an educator should apply digital storytelling tools most effectively. The question is many times asked, what is digital storytelling? Now, Oler 2006 defined digital storytelling as a brief narrative, usually told in the first person, combining writing with digital images and sound, and it is usually presented as a short movie after it has been compiled. On this slide, we're going to be taking a look at the name of the tool, the type of tool, the category, the features, and functionality of the tool that can be used within digital storytelling. The first tool that we have is Microsoft PowerPoint. Yes, Microsoft PowerPoint is a tool that can be used to create digital stories. It is a commercial software and it falls under the category of application software. It has features for photo editing and video editing, and it can be used to create PowerPoint presentations and videos from still and animated pictures. The next tool that we have is Windows Movie Maker. Windows Movie Maker is a commercial software and it has video editing capabilities. It also has the potential to create digital stories from video clips as well as static pictures. The next tool we have is PhotoStory 3 for Windows. PhotoStory 3 for Windows is an open source software and it falls under the category of video editing software. It is used to create digital static pictures that can be animated. The next tool that we have is EarthenView, which is an open source software which can be non-commercial, meaning fully open source, or it can be a paid commercial software, meaning you pay for a registered use of the software. It has the features of an image viewer, image editor, image creation, and it also has painted capabilities, and it can be used to create digital stories from images. We also have another tool called WeVideo. It is a web-based software and it falls under the category of video editing software, and it has the potential to open images in several different formats, and these images can be used in screen scaling. Also, it has the capability to use the images that it has formatted or created to create digital stories. Audacity is another tool. Audacity is an open source software. Unlike the other tools mentioned before, Audacity is an audio editing software and it has audio recording capabilities, and it can be used to create an audio digital story. The question is asked, can we increase learner achievement through digital storytelling? Now, let's find out. Digital storytelling is a powerful educational tool for students at all ages and all grade levels who are tasked with creating their own stories. Now, digital storytelling can be used to capitalize on the creative talents of our students as they begin to research and tell stories of their own, hence increasing learner achievement. When creating digital stories, students can learn to use the library, they can learn to use the internet to do research for content while they're analyzing and synthesizing a wide range of information and options. Hence, Learner achievement is increased through things like research when digital storytelling is used as a tool for teaching and learning. Increasing learner achievement with digital storytelling also allows students who participate in the creation of digital stories to develop enhanced communication skills by learning to organize their ideas, ask questions, express opinions, and construct narratives. Students who have the opportunity to share their work with their peers may also gain valuable experience in critiquing their own and other students' work, which can in turn promote gains in emotional intelligence, collaboration, social learning, and even the development of social skills. As the teacher, one can increase learner achievement by looking at the characteristic of the learner and apply the requisite teaching strategy in teaching that particular learner. Then utilize digital storytelling tools to enhance teaching and learning. For example, if the learner is technologically savvy, then the facilitator or the teacher can incorporate meaningful technology into class activity and class assignments. So, as a digital story support, the teacher can give digital stories to the students to create. In this slide, we're going to be looking at the importance of digital storytelling as part of a digitally rich learning environment. Digital storytelling as an instructional tool can be used in early childhood education. It can be used to empower younger children through the use of computer technology and multimedia resources to enable students to create their own stories that show their knowledge and understanding of educational themes and concepts. On this slide, we're going to be looking at the importance of digital storytelling as part of a digitally rich learning environment. Now, digital storytelling can be used in the secondary and also the post-secondary classroom. These students who are a bit more mature than the early childhood students can use digital storytelling to empower themselves in a variety of ways. They can be empowered intellectually, culturally, and creatively. After they have designed and created their digital stories, new insights can be gained through a summative assignment given to them. Students can be asked to engage in what we call intellectual reflection that theorizes the story and the process of making it. This assignment could actually be shared with the rest of the class, and a peer review could also be done. Now we're going to be looking at what type of learning environment is best suited for using digital storytelling tools. Digital storytelling is well suited for the constructivist classroom. In the constructivist classroom, students are able to construct their own meaning through multifaceted experiences of selecting a story topic, conducting research on the topic, writing a script, collecting images, recording their audio narration, and using computer-based tools to construct the final story. Digital storytelling can also be used in the constructionist classroom, where students are busy constructing new knowledge from existing knowledge. It has been found as well that digital storytelling is particularly useful in the engagement classroom, where students are engaged in project-based learning and problem solving. In this slide, we're going to look at when and how educators apply digital storytelling most effectively. It is argued that educators can apply digital storytelling when they want students to develop enhanced communication skills, when they want students to learn how to organize their ideas, ask questions, express opinions, and construct narratives. It can also be applied when they want students to have the opportunity to share their work with their peers and gain valuable experience in critiquing their own work and other students' work. This in turn will promote emotional intelligence, collaboration, and social learning.
Three little pigs were on a journey one day. They got extremely tired and decided they were going to build a house. So the first little pig made his house of trash. The second little pig made his house of straw. The third little pig made his house of brick. Now guess what happened? It started to rain. Now as it continued to rain, the house that was made of straw and the house that was made of trash was washed away. The only house that stood was the house that was made of brick. Now, guess what? The little pig, whose house was made of brick, gathered his brothers and sisters into the house, and they all stayed there until the rain ceased.